In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a workflow in Bitrix24. Now to do this, first you want to go to your dashboard, you want to go to the left panel over here, and in this menu, you want to scroll down until you find automation. Now click on automation, and then from here, you want to simply click on workflows up top and then select workflows in feed. When you go to workflows in feed, this is going to allow you to create a new one. So to create it, just click on create new here in the top left, this green button. And then from here, all you have to do is go ahead and go through these settings over here. So it says main workflow parameters. Here you can give it a name. I'm going to name this one tutorial. And just like this, you can of course give it a description as well, which I'm going to skip. And you can select your sort and the image as well if you want to select it. I'm going to leave it like it is, and then I'm going to click on the apply button over here, and we're going to go over to titles. Okay, so as you can see, these fields are required. I'm going to save this part over here, and then when you've done this, as you can see, it's going to basically create your workflow. Now in my case, of course, it's not yet done because of course I haven't modified anything. So if I go inside here, I can go and click on this button, and I can then go and of course change the preferences, and I'll be able to change titles and access as well. And then from here, you can go and change these things as well if you, in case you forgot to do it at the beginning when you actually created a new workflow. If I'm gonna go back to list over here, there we go. You can then go inside a workflow by going to workflows and feed. You can then click on the specific new workflow just like that. And then from here, you can click on add. Now, when you do this here, you'll be able to, of course, build an element. So I'm going to name this one tutorial as well, just like this. And I'm going to click on the apply button. There we go. Then you want to go to section up top, and of course you can select your sections and do the levels, stuff like that. You have the business processes as well, where you can of course go and select them, and you have the access again, and you can then just save this whenever you've done. And of course that way you can go and kind of start by creating your workflow in Bitrix24. Okay, so super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.